Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 6 for the subject of mathematics, chapter perimeter and area, which is covered in mensuration, page number M3, and is being submitted to you on 25th January 2021. Students, in the last week assignment, we have discussed about the perimeter of an closed object or a figure. Then we have discussed about the perimeter of a rectangle and a square. Now, children, let us discuss by taking an example. I hope, children, you remember what is a perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the outer boundary of a closed figure. So now children, in example 1, let's find the perimeter of the given figure. Now I hope children, you know what is the name of this figure. Can you tell me? Yes, this is a quadrilateral because there are four sides. So let me see. First one is 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 6 centimeter. If you add all these length, you will get the perimeter. So let's see what is your perimeter now. After adding all the sides, your answer is 33 centimeter. So now children, what is the perimeter of this quadrilateral? The perimeter of this quadrilateral is 33 centimeter. I hope children you are clear with example number 1. Now let's see our next example. Now children we are given with a square. This is your square. Now do you remember what is a formula to find the perimeter of a square? Yes, the perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply side. I repeat, what is the formula to find perimeter of square? 4 multiply side. And here, what side is given to you? The value of side is given 6 centimeter. So it means all the side is of 6 centimeter. So let's find out the perimeter. So children, here your perimeter is 4 multiply 6, which is equal to 24 centimeter. And children, the unit of perimeter is centimeter because your side is also in centimeter. So your final answer is also in centimeter. Now, I hope, children, by this example, you are clear with the perimeter. Now, let us come to our today's topic, that is area. Now, children, let us discuss what is a area. Now, children, I hope you know what are 2D shapes. 2D shapes are those shapes which are having only two dimensions. Okay, so now let us discuss about the area. Now, area is the surface enclosed by a closed plane figure. Now, I hope you understood this. Now, this is your perimeter. If I just mark the perimeter, the outer length is your perimeter. So now whatever area is enclosed inside, that is your area. So now children, this is the surface which is enclosed inside the boundary is your area. So you can say that this one, the inner surface is your area. Similarly, you can see that this is an triangle and this is its perimeter. So the surface enclosed within this length, that is your area. So area is just this inner surface enclosed by a closed figure. Okay, I hope you are clear with the area. Let me repeat, area is the surface enclosed by a closed plane figure. Now, children, let us discuss the formula of area of rectangle and square. Now, children, you can see that this is your rectangle. Now, in rectangle, you know that this one is your length. This is considered to be as length, and this is your breadth. This one is your length of the rectangle, and this side is known as breadth. So, children, the area of a rectangle is very easy. That is length multiplied by breadth. You just have to multiply the given length with its breadth. That will be your area of rectangle. Is it clear, students? Let's move on to the formula of area of square. Now, this is your square, and you know that in a square, all the sides are equal. Your sides are equal. So, if this is one side, if suppose this is 4 centimeter, all the sides will be of 4 centimeter. So, now let us discuss about the area. Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. You just have to multiply side by side. So these are the formulas of area of rectangle and area of square. Let us repeat one more time. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, and area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. Now, children, please learn these formula. It's very important. Now, let us discuss about the units of area. Now, children, you have to be very careful while writing the units. Now, if these sides are given in meters, then the area of the rectangle or a square will also be in meters. But the unit of area is meter square. Now, similarly, children, if the side are given in centimeter, then the unit of area will be centimeter square. And if it is in millimeter, then the area will be in millimeter square. And the last one is kilometer square. So these are the units of area. I'll repeat. It's meter square, centimeter square, millimeter square, kilometer square. Now, children, if they are not in same unit, you have to convert the side into same unit. You have to make them same. Now let us discuss few conversions based on units. Now first one is 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. Now children, if you want to convert centimeter square into millimeter square, then you have to multiply by 100. Similarly, if you want to convert meter square into centimeter square, then you have to multiply with 10,000. Okay, let's look at the conversion one more time. If you want to convert meter square into centimeter square, then you have to multiply by 10,000. Now, if you want to convert centimeter square into millimeter square, you have to multiply the given area with 100. Okay, students, I hope you are clear with the units of area also. Now, let us move on to the questions from your book exercise, that is 1B. Now, let's have a look on question number 1. Now, you have to find the area of a square whose side is given 6.5 centimeter and 9 2 upon 3 centimeter. I hope, children, you know the formula of area of square. It is 4 multiplied by its, no, that is your perimeter. Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. So you have to multiply 6.5 with 6.5. So when you multiply these two things, you will get your answer. Okay, so area of square is quite easy. That is side multiply by side, and then you have to multiply the given sides. Now let's check out the answer. Your answer will be in centimeter square. So now your final answer is 42.25 centimeter square. After multiplying the side, your answer is 42.25 centimeter square. Now children, let's look at the part 2. That is again same. Side is given to you. That is 9 2 upon 3 centimeter. Now, as you have a mixed fraction, you have to convert it into your improper fraction. So, let us convert 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 2, 29. So, your side is given 29 upon 3 centimeter. Okay, so and I hope you know the formula. What is the formula to find square? Area of square, it's same, it is side multiply by side. Okay, so you have to multiply 29 upon 3 with 29 upon 3. Is it clear, students? After multiplication, your answer is 841 upon 9. What is your answer? 841 upon 9. Now, children, you have to convert it into mixed fraction also. Okay, so you can write that it is 93 4 upon 9 square. You can write that it is 93 4 upon 9 square centimeter. You can write centimeter square, or you can say that it is square centimeter. It is one and the same thing. Now, I hope children you are clear with the second part also. Now, let's move on to our question number 2. Now, children, in this also you have to find the area of rectangle. Now, do you remember the formula of area of rectangle? Before reading the question, let's write the formula. What is the area of rectangle? Can you tell me? Yes, the formula is L into B. And L is the length and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so the formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now let us solve the question. Now, children, in this, length is given to you 16 1 upon 4 meter, and breadth is given 6 3 upon 5 meter. So, length is given and breadth is given, but they are given in mixed fraction. So, let us convert our length and breadth in improper fraction. So, after converting 16 1 upon 4 meter, you will get 65 upon 4 meter. I hope you, everyone knows how we get 65 upon 4. Now let me repeat. 16 fours are 64 plus 1. That is 65. It is 65 upon 4 meter. Now next one is 6 3 upon 5 meter. That is your breadth. Let me convert it into improper fraction. So 6 fives are 30 plus 3. 33 upon 5 meter. So now you have your length, you have your breadth. Let's apply in the formula. Your formula is L into B. Now substitute the value of L and B. You know that your length is 65 upon 4 and your breadth is 33 upon 5. Now, children, you have to convert it into lowest form. You have to convert into lowest form and then divide. You will get your answer. So, after multiplication and after your converting into mixed fraction, your final answer is 107 1 upon 4 meter square. Okay, so this is the area of rectangle. I hope children everyone knows why here meter square have come. Can you tell me why the unit is meter square? Why this is meter square? Because your side is also in meter, length is in meter, and even breadth is also in meter. That's why your area of rectangle unit is meter square. Okay, children, I hope you are clear with question number 2. Okay, now children, let us discuss another set of formulas based on area. Now children, sometimes area is given to you, but one of the dimension is not given to us. Then how we will find the other dimension? Let us have a look on the formula. Now children, suppose in a question you are given with the area of the rectangle. Okay, what is given to you? Area of rectangle. And one dimension is given. Let's say your breadth is given. What is given to you? Breadth is given to you, and you have to find breadth is given, and you have to find the length. What is question mark here? Suppose L is the question mark. You have to find the length. So now you are given with area, you are given with breadth, then how can you find the area? How can you find the length? The formula is very easy. The formula of length will be area of rectangle divided by breadth. Okay, I repeat, if you want to find the length, then what you will do? You will divide the given area by its breadth. Okay, similarly, if you have to find the breadth, if you want to find the breadth, you have to divide the area by its length. Okay, so in a simple language, whatever dimension you have to find out, you have to divide the given area by the other given dimension. Okay, so it's very easy. Please learn these formulas. It is going to use in the question. We are going to use these things in our question. Now similarly, in area of square, now children, suppose area of square is given to you. Okay, if area of square given to you and you have to find its side, now then how will you write? If area is given, you will write side multiply side, and further you know that side into side means side square. Okay, whatever side is given, you will write in side square. So it means this particular is your given side. This will come the side of a square. Is it clear? Now children, you will be more clear when we'll discuss the question. Let's move on to our question number 3. You will be more clear with question number 3. Now children, look at this question. You have to find the side of a square. No, find the side of a square of area 169 centimeter square. Now children, you are given with the area, and the area is 169 centimeter square. Now children, I told you, you have to write this 169 in the form of numbers. So 169 can be written as 13 multiply 13. Okay, because 169, you can write 13 into 13. So further, 13 into 13 can be written as 13 square. Okay, students, this is your 13 square. So it means this 13 is your side. What is this? This is your side of the square. Okay, this is your side. Fine, let's have a look on the third part. Now, in that it is written that area of square is given 441 meter square. Now children, think a natural number which is multiplied and you will get 441 only. So just think of that number. When you multiply it with same thing, you will get 441. So we have 21. 21 into 21 is 441. Okay, children, if you multiply 21 into 21, you will get 441. Okay, and you know that 21 into 21, you can write that as 21 square. Okay, what can you write? 21 square. So now, children, this 21 is your side. You can say that this is the side of the square. Okay, I hope, children, you are clear with this question also. Now, next questions we will discuss in our next video. Thank you, students.